Hey, this is Natalia. I'll be doing NDIRE's Ready for Love. Um, Hope you enjoy it. Here it goes. I am ready for love. Why are you hiding from me? I'd quickly give my freedom to be held in your captivity. I am ready for love, all of the joy and the pain, and all the time that it takes just to stay in your good grace. Lately I've been thinking maybe you're not ready for me. Maybe you think I need to learn maturity. If you watch what you ask for, 'cause you might receive. But if you ask me tomorrow, I'd say the same things. I am ready for love. Would you please lend me your ear? I promise I won't complain. I just need you to acknowledge I am here. If you give me a chance, I'll prove this to you. I will be patient, kind, faithful, and true to a man who loves music, a man who loves art, respects the spirit world, and thinks with his heart. My heart. I am ready for love. If you take me in your hand, I will learn what you teach and do the best that I can. Yeah. I am ready for love. Here with an offering love. My voice, my eyes, my soul, my mind, tell me what is enough. Ooh, to prove that I am ready for love, ready for love, ready for love. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.